Welcome to the next revision lesson of the Russian course. It's important for you to learn how to read, so we are going to test you. And you can see the name of a famous person. Try to read it. You can pause the video, check with your table or your notes, and try to remember the letters that you need and recognize the person that's written. Okay, and we are going to check now. Sophie Loren and Charlie Chaplin. Она Софи Лорен, он Charlie Chaplin. Она it's she and on is he. We don't really say is, we don't say he is, she is, we just say he. That's enough. Okay, try to read the next personalities. And I'm going to tell you the answer. Альберт Эйнштейн, Одри Тото. Он Альберт Эйнштейн, она Одри Тото. And the last one. Джеки Чан и Пенелопа Круз. Он Джеки Чан, она Пенелопа Круз. Okay. So now we can even make a sentence and to say I love, я люблю Джеки Чан, for example. We continue expanding our vocabulary, and the new words are ключ, очки, кредитка, визитка, кошелек, блокнот. Машина, стол, сумка, ручка, ресторан, office. You're going to practice these words in your homework. And today we'll look at 2 of 6 Russian cases. So the first is accusative. Wherever we want to say I love something or somebody, I want something, I bought something. So whenever we do an action to an object or to a subject, we have to use accusative. But in this case, we have to change only feminine words. So the words that end on a, we change them for u. For example, to say I love music, we say я люблю музыку. So we have to change. But for masculine words, we don't change. So to say I love snow, we say я люблю снег. We don't change anything. Prepositional case is used after prepositions. The basics are in and on, v and na. For prepositional case, we have to change all their gender, masculine, feminine, neutral, and we have to add «е» to the end. So we say в ресторане, в офисе, в Америке, в Мексике. Or also we can say на столе, on the table, в машине, in the car. So every time after in or on, we have to add «е». And this is because this is a prepositional case used after prepositions. In this lesson, we also studied 2 words, his and her. His it's его, and her it's ее. So to say my name, меня зовут Анна. To say his name, его зовут Саша. Его зовут Алёша. Его зовут Андрей. And her name, ее зовут Саша. Ее зовут Аня. Ее зовут Вера. So you can try to say her name is with this girl and try to say her number and practice it. The same you can do with the next person, just to practice say his name is, and say his number. That's all theory for today's lesson. Do more practice, try read, learn numbers, and revise words. Пока-пока!